Hey there, tech enthusiasts! Today, I'm diving into the fascinating world of edge computing and how Netflix leverages it to ensure you can binge watch your favorite shows without a hitch. So grab your popcorn and let's get started. First, let's break down what edge computing actually is. Imagine a centralized data center, where all your internet data is processed and stored. Now, picture smaller, decentralized data centers closer to you, called edges. These edges reduce the distance data has to travel, resulting in faster and more efficient processing. Now, why does Netflix care about edge computing? Well, it's all about improving your viewing experience. With millions of users streaming high-definition content worldwide, Netflix needs to ensure minimal latency and buffering. That's where edge computing comes into play. Netflix uses its very own edge computing technology called OpenConnect. This is essentially a global network of servers located strategically closer to users. By caching popular content locally, OpenConnect reduces the strain on the main data centers and speeds up delivery. So, when you hit play on that new series, the data doesn't have to travel all the way from a central server. It comes from a nearby edge server instead. But that's not all. Edge computing also helps Netflix manage its massive data flow efficiently. When a new show drops, there's a surge in demand. Edge servers can distribute this load, ensuring consistent quality even during peak times. One of the coolest aspects of Netflix's edge computing strategy is its adaptability. The OpenConnect network continually analyzes data to optimize server placement and performance. This means Netflix can dynamically respond to changes in viewer behavior and network conditions, keeping your stream smooth and uninterrupted. So, how does this benefit you, the viewer? In addition to reduced buffering and faster load times, edge computing enhances the overall quality of your streams. Whether you're on your phone, tablet, or smart TV, Netflix's edge technology ensures a seamless experience across devices. Plus, edge computing plays a crucial role in Netflix's efforts to be more energy efficient. By decentralizing data processing, Netflix can reduce the energy consumption associated with long-distance data transmission. It's a win-win for both the environment and your binge-watching sessions. In conclusion, Netflix's use of edge computing through its OpenConnect network is a game-changer for streaming technology. By bringing data closer to you, it enhances performance, reduces latency, and ensures a top-notch viewing experience. So, the next time you enjoy a smooth streaming session, remember, edge computing is working behind the scenes to make it happen. Thanks for watching. If you found this video informative, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech insights. Until next time, happy streaming!